Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to open the watch battery cage on your Casio AE-1000W. This is going to be the module 3198. So what we are going to need for this tutorial is going to be a metallic pair of tweezers. You can find this inside the basic watchmaker toolkit that I definitely recommend you go and buy. And what we want to do is to insert one tip of the metallic pair of tweezers right here in order to open the watch battery cage. So as you can see, if I were to remove the sticker a little, you'll be able to see that we have a small opening right there where I can insert one tip of the metallic pair of tweezers, and I'm going to push it upwards, and that is going to open the watch battery cage. Looking from the side, you would need to insert one tip of the metallic pair of tweezers right here and then push the plate towards the exterior, and that is going to open the watch battery cage. I'm going to replace the watch battery, and then I'm going to place the watch battery back in the exact same way. And in order to close it, I'm just going to snap it back in. I'm going to hear and feel a small click, and the watch should be ticking once again. So that is going to be your indication that you have inserted the correct watch battery, and the watch cage should stay closed. Make sure to take your time because you can easily bend the watch battery cage and the metallic plate isn't going to go, let's say, in its position anymore, and the watch battery can fall. You won't be able to close the back of the watch, so make sure to take your time when doing this for the first time. In case you want to watch the full guide from start to finish on how to replace the watch battery on the Casio AE-1000W, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And in case you enjoy these videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. And also make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.